What's up, everybody? It's Peter, welcome to our channel. And here I am on my Pint V-75, enjoying a nice weather in Alaska. If you saw my previous video about this wheel, I did a range test. Quite impressive numbers I did get, especially with my weight. And I still have some people ask me, what's the range I can get if it's under 200-pound rider? Well, the thing is, the numbers what you saw in my range test, of course, that's with my weight, and I'm 290. I'm quite heavy dude. Yeah. If you are under 200 pounds, you pretty much you can double it. That numbers quite easy. Why I'm saying that? Because like on a GT, Future Motion stated 20 to 32, and some people get even over 32 a mile range. With my weight of 290, I got slightly under 14 mile. I got like 13.7 or so. With my weight, with my riding style, everything depends, like I said, on your weight, on your riding style. I mean, it's very important on the weather condition, on the tire pressure. All those little details will make a huge impact on the range. Also on the top speed, because top speed is also, with my weight, like I said, I'm really heavy, and my max, I push it a little over 20, which quite impressive for what it is, and quite impressive especially with a fat guy like me. If you're a lighter guy, of course you can push it 25, 27, maybe 30 plus on this board really easy. Depends on your skills, on the weather condition, like I said, on the tire pressure. All those little guys details will make final mark how fast you can go. But like I said, all around, yeah, it's pretty good, and especially for what it is. This little board I call pocket rocket. It's quite interesting, quite impressive machine. I'm a little too heavy for this board. Yeah, but still, like I said, I'm enjoying. The more I ride it, the more I enjoy it, and the more I like it, this board.